Did you get in the chair? You sitting back? That's a big chair.
Good boy.
Nice work.
Just like Mama and Dada.
Where are you?
Are we in the backyard again? No.
Charlie, can you wave at Mama's? Thanks, buddy. Are you in a big boy chair?
Can you wave at Dada?
No.
You can't wave at me?
Are you silly?
What?
You hear the bells? Hey, Liam. Liam.
See?
You soaking up the rays? Can you say Memorial Day 2009? Can you say that? Can you say diphthong? You silly boy. What's Liam doing? Liam, can you say Dada?
Charlie, can you say Liam? Liam? My Dada?
I hear the clock, do you? I hear the bells. Dada, getting some toys. That one sounds like a bat to me. Charlie, where's your nose? Where's your eye? Where's your ear? Where's your hair?
Burgers for lunch?
Where's your knees?
Bubba?
That's your chest. Where are your knees? Those are your teeth. These are your knees, right here in your leggy legs. That's it. And then where are your feet? That's right. Where's your shoulder? You remember shoulders? Up here.
Yeah.
We did it yesterday. Yeah, good job. You're smart.
Knees, though.
Yeah, we don't. I think it sounds too much like me.
Knees and teeth.
Be careful.
Liam did a great job on his lunch breakfast.
Yeah, he did.
He ate a ton.
Good boy.